everyone, thanks so much for stopping by at the Peppered Peach today. We're gonna be trying out MINA'S lemon bars from Magnolia Cookbook Volume number 1. So, I actually make lemon bars. I actually use the New York Times lemon bar recipe. It's with pistachios, but I remove the pistachios and it's great. I have never tried MINA'S lemon bars from Magnolia. So I am very excited to see if there's gonna be a big difference, what I like, if I like them better, whatever it is, I'm excited for it. It's also my father-in-law's favorite dessert, the lemon bars. So this is on repeat in the house. Whenever he comes over, I try to make it for him. So, all right, so we have all of our ingredients here. Let's get this lemon party started. All right, so our first step is to make the crust. So we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour right here in this bowl. We're gonna mix that together with the melted butter, which is 2 sticks of salted butter. So we're gonna throw this in. All right. And what else do we put in here? Someone tell me. Powdered sugar, which is, let's see, a half a cup. Yep, half a cup of powdered sugar and some sea salt. Oops, not enough. There we go. All right. Let me get this out of the way. Wait, we have a little butter left. No butter left behind. Okay, so we're gonna mix this together and it should become doughy, because we're gonna take this dough and we're gonna put it into our prepared 9x13 pan right here, and we're gonna press it in. At some point, I will move over to using my fingers because it's easier. And I did grease this already, so I have this greased up and ready to go. Woo, we got a rogue egg. It does not want to be part of these lemon bars. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna move over to using my hands because it's easier, and we'll get this all combined. Sweet. All right. Okay. All right, here we go. So the dough is done. We're gonna press this into our pan. So let me move this out of the way. And let me bring this over. And then this goes in the oven first. So this will go in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. And then in the meantime, we will make our lemon, what do I want to call it? What is she calling it? Mixture. And I was gonna say lemon juice, but we know that's not right. And then once it's out of the oven, we will pour the lemon on top of the baked crust, and then we will cook it again. I'm assuming for another 15-20 minutes. And then we can cut into it, let it cool for a little bit first, and then we'll try them out. But I do love lemon bars. I'm not a big fan of lemon in my food dishes, but I do love them. I do love lemon in desserts. Okay. Okay, I feel good about it. All right. This is all set. We're gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes at 350. In the meantime, we'll make our mixture. Okay, so our next step while our dough is cooking in the oven was we're gonna make our lemon mixture. So we have 2 cups of granulated sugar right here. We're gonna throw that into a bowl. Then we are going to chop up. We're gonna break some of these eggs into, let me use this bowl for trash. Got 4 eggs. I have them at room temp. All right. And we have lemon juice. So I am a little surprised we're not using lemon zest, but you know what? We are gonna follow this instruction book. So we have how much lemons? We have 5 tablespoons, about 2 lemons. So we've got it. Okay. Oh, I need my whisker. I'll get that as soon as I'm done with this. All right. And oh, we got a little seed in there. I gotta pull it out. All right, so we have all of our lemons in. Let me grab a whisker, be right back. And let me take this out, if I can take it out. No, I'm gonna use my hand. Can I get it? Can I get it? Yeah, okay. Got it. Do I? Okay, there we go. All right, so let's whisk this together. Should have gotten my better whisker, but that's okay. You know what? Okay, there we go. Smells nice and lemony. All right, there we go. So now we wait. All right, y'all, it is time to take out our crust from the oven. Yes. Okay, it's nice and crusty. All right, so now that this is out, we are going to take our mixture that we mixed earlier. I'm gonna do one last little swirl around, and I am going to pop this right on top. That's right. Okay. Now this goes back in the oven for 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, she says to put a little tin foil on top of it so it doesn't get too brown for another 15 minutes. So let's get this in for 15 minutes. See you then. All right, y'all, we've let our lemon bars cool down. We sprinkled them with some powdered sugar on top. Let's try them. I'm gonna steal a small one over here. Okay, I'm going in. Okay, these are amazing. I actually like them better than the other recipe I was talking to you about. This is perfect. It's lemony. I love the lemon mixture on top. It's not super heavy. It's so light. It is so good. Mina, girl, I don't know who you are, but I love your lemon bars. Super good. I love it. Definite repeat. If you love lemon bars, this is your jam. So if you make them at home, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you. I'll see you next time. All right, got my flour, melted butter. All right, your cookies are done. Surprised. They're good. They are good.